Welcome to the MYITLAB Pearson Project Excel, Chapter 5 ML1 RealEstate. In this video, I've recorded a few important steps from the project and also showed the grades and results after completing the work. We'll work with real estate data in Excel, including formulas, percentage calculations, formatting, and subtotal features. I've also completed the full video for this project. If you need the complete video or want help learning these steps, feel free to contact me. If you need help with this project or any other MYITLAB Pearson project, please let me know. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Excel project. Need help with your Excel, Word, Access, PowerPoint, MYLab IT, SimNet, SAM assignments, or any other subject? Contact us anytime on WhatsApp at +9 231763800514 or send us an email at gotgrades9@gmail.com. We'd love to assist you. If you need help with other Excel Chapter 5 projects, I can also help you with projects such as Excel Chapter 5, CAP Assessment, Travel, Excel Chapter 5, HOE Assessment, Fine Art, Excel Chapter 5, ML2, Fiesta Collection, Excel Chapter 5, Cumulative Merchandise, Excel Chapter 5, CAP Apartments. If you want to learn the steps, need guidance with any of these projects, or would like the completed video, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching and good luck with your MYITLAB Pearson Excel Chapter 5 projects.